So we're gonna make a pesto using carrot tops. So we're gonna try it out. All these carrot tops we normally throw out, we're gonna try making a pesto with it. So we have a bunch of purple carrots. We have 1 lemon. We're gonna zest it and use the juice of that. 1/3 cup of Parmesan cheese. We have 3 cloves of garlic. We're going to put in 1/3 cup of olive oil and then a pinch of salt. We'll get all this ready and we're gonna blend it up and see how this carrot top pesto turns out. We're gonna zest this in here. We're gonna put the lemon juice in there. Okay, so now we're gonna put in 1/3 cup of the Parmesan cheese, just under 1/3 cup of the olive oil. I might add more. This is what it looks like so far. It looks really good. I'm gonna add in a pinch of salt and a little bit more of the olive oil. So I'm gonna just go up to 1/3 cup. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It looks like pesto. It's a little bit more chewy. The leaves are a little bit chewier. It's very garlicky. So if you don't love garlic, maybe limit the garlic you're gonna put into it. But it's pretty good. Very lemony, very garlicky. It's actually really nice on the bread. It takes away some of that chewiness from the leaves. It also balances out the intense garlic as well. It'd be a nice spread on bread or on, you can dip your vegetables into it. I would say give it a try. Enjoy, and we'll see you next time.